For the first time in Triple T's mukbang history, I will be doing a lip sync performance to my wonderful song, intro song, Back Again. Here we go. Peace! Well, she already done and had hers. I'm back again. And I made myself a gin Caesar, Canadian style, of course, which is with clamato juice. I got some grilled prawns here, a jalapeno. I did some pan-fried asparagus, spicy sauce, some rim here, as you can see. Who doesn't love a good rimming? Okay, y'all, I can't even get into this, so we're back again, beyond the fridge, beyond life, okay? Jesus, oh Jesus. I tell you, what a skeptical this channel has been turning into. Ooh. Oh, we could do some oh my god, maybe I should, I can like do some ASMR up here. Hey, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, that's delicious. Oh. Oh my goodness. I thought it was gonna fall. Just kidding. I'm just acting a fool half the time. I love the comment from so we got some new subscribers, but I love the comment from, so thanks for following me, new subscribers. My Triple T oh god, what am I calling my fans again? My fans. My Triple T's. My Triple T's. I don't know. Ah! Christ, she came flopping out of there like a... Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh fuck. That is tasty. Oh. Oh, come right aboard me. Oh. Sorry guys, I look like shit. Probably need a haircut soon. Oh. Mama's poor. And it's decision time because I need to decide what I'm gonna do. If maybe I decide to start saving money. Somehow, I don't make much money anymore, but so that eventually, in a year or two still, I'll be able to travel. I can go back to Thailand. I'm hoping. I can go travel still to the places that I want. Spicy. Oh. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck me. Oh. Woo. Ah, fuck a duck. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, you guys can see my tats. Oh my god, I'm so weird. What has my life become? I thought I was weird before, now I'm eating on top of my fucking fridge. If it doesn't get any more weird than this, I don't know. So I'm back for another slut feeding, a hot dog slut feeding. As you can see, I eat healthy. You guys know I'm a very healthy eater. So I looked on the package, 100 calories for the wiener itself, the turkey wiener. Now my sister, I told her about turkey wieners, and she said gross. Pardon me. Now she also loves a good old-fashioned boiled hot dog, but lately chicken or turkey ones. I will do the beef. They're from this brand called Harvest, which is a local BC, British Columbia province brand. Oh my god, these fries are good. You know what? I'm never doing my own potatoes again. Frozen ones, they deep fried fast. Delicious. Oh, now I got 1,001 condiments. Oh, fuck me. Oh my goodness. Oh. But I love good old-fashioned yellow mustard. Who doesn't, huh? Oh. Oh my god, guys. You guys are like, what is he doing? I'm just trying to be weird as possible. So, Jojo Eats ASMR left a fun comment for a new subscriber saying, what did she say? You're in for a shock, or you're in for a treat, or... But yeah, you're right. You hold on to your seats, because you ain't seen desperation until you seen somebody eat on top of the fridge, mama. But I need to do a decision about what I'm gonna do. I think I need to set some goals for myself. I haven't really been very inspired. And I don't even know how I'll save money with this current job. So the other thought to my head is maybe I get a part-time serving job or bartending job. That could be a possibility too. Because the reality is, you can make good money serving. I used to make enough money that I could rent trailers whenever I wanted. They call me Trailer Trash Townsend. But I need to find a way to make my dreams come alive again. Because I do want to travel, and I'm like, just like, please let me travel again. So yeah, I have 901 sauces here, but it's all about the mustard. Oh. Got this secret sauce. Let's try. Oh Jesus, she came pouring. She was excited. Oh, I am a foul creature. How I've made it this far is beyond myself. Next year, 40, look at my life. It's like a misery child. I just want to say something as well. So I have this, I went camping recently, which I still haven't done my video, but usually I don't know, often I get too much into these feelings that I get and connections, but the moment I went to Chilliwack Lake and the times after that, I felt a real connection there, and I felt a it's spiritual force, which is, the lake literally translates to sacred lake in the native language of Indigenous. But I felt nothing this time that camping there. I feel like, yeah, it's not, I don't know, it was weird. I didn't feel this time connected. And one, I need to ask myself why. Why wasn't I connected? I don't know. I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do. Try to figure out a way to budget food that I can have, food all the week. Now I would like to, lose some weight as well. I'm not losing weight eating hot dogs. That's for damn sure. I recently did a tarot reading with my friend, and she might send me a deck of her cards, but I found it interesting and actually calming and relaxing listening to her read the cards. Oh my god. Ow. 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 Oh. Ow. Oh my goodness. Oh. I gotta stop eating hot dogs. It's just too easy. This stuff, it's all excuses. I should be eating vegetables and healthy proteins. Oh God, when will I ever learn? Well, I'm gonna end this because I'm full as fuck. And I sure as hell ain't gonna eat a hot dog for a couple more views. Just kidding. Just kidding, Mama. Don't let your piss get hot. Oh. 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 Oh my God, what a mess I'm making. Oh. On top of your fridge? Mess on your fridge, Mama. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, creating it for such legends like you all. I wish you much love. Oh, much love. Here, I'll give you a kiss. Mwah! Thank you to all my loyal viewers. Your friendships on this YouTube world are beyond. Oh, pardon me. I'm so foul. It's beyond my wildest dreams. Thank you. Beast.